So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. There's some type of like contract they got to get out of. This is why they can't move forward with you just yet. They're going through some type of karmic lesson. Yeah, this person's afraid that things aren't going to improve with you. And I feel like they were waiting around when it came down to their finances. Now they're getting out that energy because, see, they don't want you to walk away from them. But see, this person, they're not happy. Oh, okay. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. They're not happy because right now, see, the Sun with the Emperor, even though they're both reversed, that gives me like father energy, some type of parent. So maybe for some of you guys, if you don't have a child, look at that. Family, past. If you don't have a child with this person, for some of you, this person has a child with someone else. This could be them saying like they know they were being really immature and childish towards you in the past. This also could be saying that somebody was a child in a situation with family, you know, and this is why they couldn't move forward with you because maybe they chose family over you. Tell me, just y'all take whatever situation applies for you. See, yeah, this person, they're finally listening to their intuition and they want to heal things with you because they did leave you out in the cold. They left you hanging. See, I told you, they want to start over and build with you. It's no more, you know, talking, no action. This person definitely wants to take some type of action here. But the thing is, they're still dragging their feet. Why? They're arguing. I feel like this person's arguing with someone and they got to put an end to a situation first before they can come back towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But this person is losing hope. Look at the King and the Queen of Wands. So this is definitely some type of soulmate, or even for some of you, it's a twin flame situation. But, ooh, the King of Swords just tried to jump out. Okay. See what I'm saying? So I have two men and there's somebody, like a woman in the middle, or it could be the other way around. But regardless, there are two people here. So this person was having a hard time because they were, you know, want to be with you, but in a situation with someone else, whether it's friends, family, love interest, something going down with their career. There was something that was blocking. And now maybe this person's feeling like they're losing hope because maybe they feel like you moved on or you're getting ready to move on with someone else. You know, you're a blessing. Yeah, look at that. They're going through a tower moment. This person is definitely realizing some things. Tell me more. Yep. They know they better hurry up and give you an offer. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, stuff is getting ready to go down in the fall. I've been feeling that for a while. Let's see. They're giving you an offer because this person has made a change. But see, yeah, I tell you, they gotta move fast. They have to move fast. They want to heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. I'm seeing that they want to balance things with you, balance things out with you. They're trying to stay positive because they do want a new opportunity with you. But right now, they don't have the strength to move forward with you. And they're moving slow until they can get themselves out of the situation that they put themselves in. So let's recap. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Sagittarius. I have a Leo here. And I'm also seeing a Cancer. But yeah, they're going to have to get themselves out of a situation, see? And right now, they're upset with themselves. Let's see. Because they're not confident if you even want to be in a commitment with them. But I told y'all, some of them have to get out of some type of commitment, marriage, contract. There's something here. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But see, there are 2 6s here. So it's something pertaining to family, like I was telling you before. This person knows that they didn't balance things out with you because they were involved with some type of family situation. Now they're afraid they're not going to be able to have a victory with you. Look at that. I have 666. That right there, I mean, we're gonna, y'all know what 666 is. Okay, so this is also telling me I feel like there's gonna be a huge change with this person because, see, right now, in order for them to get away from someone or a situation, they're gonna have to give to someone else. Tell me more. Yeah, they're gonna communicate this to you. They're gonna tell you what's been going on. See, they gotta get out of some type of family situation. Cancer, I told y'all in the past before, this was a while ago. I've said it to y'all a few times. Remember I told y'all I kept picking up on like some type of like spell work and magic. I am still picking up on that here, but I do feel like this person, they're either, for some of y'all, they broke all the way out of it. And this is why I see them doing what they need to do to start making changes so they can get out of this situation. For others of you, this person is breaking out of it. But yeah, they're realizing this home, family, living situation, it's not working for them anymore. They're not happy. See, even though they're frustrated, they're doing what they have to do to clear away these obstacles. Tell me more. Yeah, but they're afraid that you're not going to take the offer. See, they feel like they lost you for good. They feel like it's over. You know, they made the wrong decision. See, and the decision was they tried their best to move on, but they're hoping when they come back, you two can move forward. See, they're going to end up making a decision here, but they're having a hard time. See, because every time they want to say something to you, they don't. Clarify? Yeah, they're having a hard time. I told you. They're having a hard time right now because of a third-party situation that they're still in. See, this part, see 2 3s. I'm telling you, not only does this person want a new beginning with you, but they gotta get themselves out of this other situation. Ooh, look at that. 3 3. Y'all been seeing 3 3 3? That angel number? Look at that. Y'all, that's the angel, y'all. I'm telling you, there's a change here. Look at that, just shot out of my hands. And see, I'm seeing the king and the queen of pentacles. So one, it's like they know if they want to be with you, the person that they were dealing with, they got to cut that off. You know, I'm telling you, for some of you guys, this person was married. It could have been some type of business contract, or, you know, some type of like, I told you it's karmic, so some type of, it was codependency somewhere in there. But the thing is, they realize, okay, this person wanted to be with me for all the wrong reasons, and vice versa. They want to be with you. To be honest with you, for some of you, there could have been a pregnancy here. Maybe this person, the person that they were dealing with, they were holding on because maybe they found out that this person was pregnant, and or this person had a child, and it was just brought to their attention that the child is theirs or possibly theirs. You know, so now y'all, it's a lot of y'all. Just Lord. We're just gonna keep going. Okay, anyway. The seeds that were planted with you, they want them to grow, but see, they're going to have to work really hard, you know what I'm saying, one, on getting them, see, taking the leap to get out of the situation that they're in, okay? Yep, didn't I tell y'all, putting an end to a third-party situation, I told you. See, they're cutting someone off, I told you, but they're having a hard time doing it because they feel responsible. So if there is a child involved, they're like, I didn't want to leave my child or, you know, children behind, whether it's their biological child, whether, you know, they took on that, you know, motherly role, the fatherly role, you know, this person could have been paying bills, like responsible for everything. They have a lot of weight to carry, and they're like, I can't just leave this person or my family out in the cold. But they also regret the way that they treated you, because see, you are the one they're supposed to be with. See, and now they feel like you don't want them anymore. You're not going to give them a chance if they come back, because see, they hurt you, Cancer. They hurt you. They know you're still upset with them. See, they feel like you're done. Man, he or she cut me off, and see, now I want to balance things out with this person. Look, they want to give you an offer. They want to give you an offer, and in order for that to happen, they're going to have to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Look at that. You got an offer coming in. I told you. This person's going to come back in wanting to give you an offer. They're coming out of being frustrated about it, but right now they're stuck trying to make a decision. But they're saying they will make a decision. Ooh, look at that. This person definitely wants to turn things around, but they got to go slow with you. They got to start all the way over. Y'all got to start over as friends, you know, because they know you don't trust them. It's like they have to repair a lot of the damage that they've caused. And see, the way the Ace of Swords came out, it's like they want to open up and talk to you about a new beginning, but they're still hesitating. You know, this was a lesson for them. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo, and now they have a lot of decisions to make because they're afraid things may not improve. But look at that. They're going to free themselves. I'm telling you, this person was worried about their money. There's some type of financial situation that they were in, and they're like, okay, I don't know if things are going to improve with my money, but at the end of the day, I'm getting ready to lose the love of my life. And if I don't get myself out of the situation, it's a wrap, you know? So this right here being the last card, this person's going to be single. They're getting out of some type of situation. So, yeah. Let's take a look. Let's get some advice for you guys. Bottom of the deck, yeah, y'all ain't worried about it, okay? Y'all are, you know, I'm not frustrated. I'm not thinking about this. You know, you're not overthinking. Yeah, you guys are really confident right now. That just tells me you guys have been putting in the work back into yourself. Yeah, look at that. Y'all are confident. You have definitely been putting the work back into yourself. A lot of you guys could have just been focusing on, you know, yourself, your job. Some of you guys have businesses. I'm just seeing money looks good. You know, you're content with how things are right now when it comes down to other areas of your life. And the reason for that is because you had to leave this person hanging. You had to walk away from them because you're like, you know, I don't have time to deal with the nonsense. No, look at that. I'm tired of him or her repeatedly stabbing me in the back. So guess what? I had to remove myself from this third party situation. I'm not doing it anymore. Okay. Look, yeah, you guys left this person alone. And that's why things are improving. Again, you're coming out of being frustrated, but Spirit is still saying you're not listening to your intuition. Why are they not listening to their intuition? Ooh, do you say, what's this? Aquarius. Okay, so some of y'all dealing with Aquarius? Some of y'all are, or they have Aquarius in their chart, or maybe you do. But I have the Hierophant and the High Priestess, and both of the cards are reversed. So this is definitely some type of twin flame connection that I'm picking up on. And the thing is, Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition because, yes, even though you definitely had to walk away from this person, you're basically saying to yourself, yes, we have a connection. Yes, I think about this person. Yes, they probably come and visit me in my dreams and we talk there. But I don't see him or her getting out of their situation. I don't see us, you know, going into a union. I don't see us getting married. I don't see any of that. And that's why Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition because your intuition is telling you it's going to happen, whether you like it or not, okay? Let me not say that because you have free will, you know? It's free will. But y'all know what I'm trying to say. See, the seeds that were planted, you're like, I don't see them growing. I'm no longer putting my time, effort, or energy into this situation because I don't see things turning around. I've been healing, and I'm calling in a new soulmate. Okay, Cancer. And guess what? You have an offer coming in. Look at that. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Tell me about the Ace of Cups. Yep, because you've been healing, and you're holding on to hope for a new offer to come in, but I'm going to be honest. That new offer, it's so many. Okay, so look, I'm picking up on a lot of y'all. The thing is, yes, I do feel like for a lot of you guys, there is somebody new coming in. It is a brand new soulmate because some of you guys, I'm telling you, this is a twin situation I'm picking up on. So I feel like a lot of you guys have been dealing with a twin flame and you're like, I'm tired of the nonsense. I don't have time to deal with him or her. I've been doing the work. I've been healing. I've been focusing on my business, my money, whatever. And I'm moving forward. And by you doing that, the door is open for a soulmate to come in. But for a lot of you, I am picking up that person is going to come back. They're going to come back. See, there's justice here. You know, I do feel like I'm seeing an image of somebody juggling. So you see what I'm saying? It's like you're going back and forth, you know, with making some type of decision. The thing is, you want the truth from this person, but I feel like this is you speaking your truth to them. So if they reach out to you or somehow y'all bump into each other, y'all start talking, you're going to be very blunt and direct with them. See that there's a sun. I told you, Spirit is saying you can have happiness landing right on top of the High Priestess reverse. That's why they're saying you're not listening to your intuition. Y'all are going to come off cold and harsh to this person. It's this past person coming back in. Y'all are tired. Y'all are tired. Y'all are going to come off very harsh. See, and it's like you don't have the strength to deal with them anymore. That's the thing. But for some of y'all still watch this person. You still check up on them. Let me do 10 more. This is getting good. Yeah, you guys are starting to feel like, okay, I don't see myself having a new beginning with this person. Look at that. You're like, I'm not moving forward with them. I'm coming out of being frustrated. And you see, I removed myself from this third party situation. Okay. Because there was no stability there. Y'all are not worried, okay? You don't see yourself, See, this is the problem. We were on a roll, and then now y'all back and forth. Okay. Lord. Alright, let's see what's going on. This is a lot. Okay. You don't see yourself having a new opportunity with this person because your guard is up at this point. You know, it's like you're undecided, like, you know, I know deep down what we are, but I can't get over what they did to me in the past. Like, I've made some type of peace with it in order for me to move forward, but I just can't see myself giving this person yet again another chance for them to break my heart. See, I told you they didn't balance things out, you know, and I feel like this, you got this person from the past, they're going to come back in and they're going to be confident about what they want with you, because see, they're going to tell you, look, I love you. I want to be with you. You're my soulmate. This is like another twin flame card. See that angel? We are supposed to be together. I see it now. I messed up. Look at that. I learned my lesson. I want to move forward with you. I want to have a victory with you. But here you are in your head worried, like, I don't know if I can do this again. I don't know if I can give him or her another chance. But Spirit is saying, from what I'm seeing here, yeah. Yeah. They're gonna have to put in some work. I don't see y'all just jumping back in, but it's gonna take some time. But